Have you ever finished an online English lesson feeling motivated, but then a week later realized you are still making the same mistakes? Or maybe you've taken dozens of classes, spent a lot of time studying, and you are wondering, why am I not speaking English confidently yet? Welcome back to English with Papora. Let me tell you, the problem usually isn't your teacher, and it isn't your English level either. The real problem is that most students attend lessons without a strategy. They show up, talk for 30 or 60 minutes, answer a few questions, and then wait until the next class. If that sounds familiar, don't worry. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to get the most out of your online English lessons so you can improve faster, speak more confidently, and finally start seeing real progress. Before booking another lesson, ask yourself one simple question. Why are you learning English? Your answer changes everything. Maybe you want to speak confidently while traveling, get a better job, pass an English exam, work with international clients, feel comfortable in conversations. A lot of students say, I just want to improve my English, but that's too general. A better goal would be, I want to confidently participate in meetings in English within 6 months. Or, I want to have a 15-minute conversation without switching to my native language. Specific goals create specific results. When you know where you are going, every lesson becomes more productive. Let's be honest, many students spend months answering the same questions. Where are you from? What are your hobbies? What did you do last weekend? And while conversation practice is important, if every lesson looks the same, your progress will slow down. Instead, give each lesson a purpose. For example, Monday, business English. Wednesday, conversation practice. Friday, grammar and writing corrections. Now you are developing multiple skills instead of repeating the same vocabulary over and over. Think of your lessons as a training plan, not random conversations. This tip alone can completely change your learning experience. Before your lesson starts, choose one topic. Just one. For example, technology, education, travel, artificial intelligence, social media, movies, or health. When you arrive with a topic prepared, you will naturally learn new vocabulary, practice expressing opinions, and have deeper conversations. And here's something interesting. Students who prepare even 5 minutes before class often improve much faster than students who simply show up. Preparation creates better conversations. Better conversations create faster progress. Speaking of conversations, one thing we love at Papora is that students start speaking from day one. Instead of spending months only studying theory, you immediately practice with certified teachers who have native level English. That means you are constantly exposed to natural pronunciation, real expressions, and authentic conversations from the beginning. And honestly, that's one of the fastest ways to build confidence. So, many students think online lessons are only for conversation practice. Big mistake. You can also use them to improve reading, writing, pronunciation, grammar, listening comprehension. For example, write a short email before class, bring it to your teacher, review it together, or read an article during the lesson and discuss it afterwards, or practice difficult sounds that you struggle to pronounce. The more skills you combine, the faster your English develops. Here's a fun strategy. Bring something you actually enjoy, a YouTube video, a song, a podcast, a news article, a movie clip. When learning becomes connected to your interest, it stops feeling like studying. And that's important because consistency becomes much easier. Remember, the best English practice is the one you will actually do. By the way, if you are enjoying these tips and want practical English advice every week, make sure to subscribe to the channel. We publish videos that help you speak English naturally, confidently, and without feeling overwhelmed. Now, let's continue. Here's a mistake many learners make. They take 2 or 3 classes a week and do absolutely nothing between them. Imagine going to the gym 3 times a week and never moving on the other days. Progress would be slow. Language learning works the same way. You don't need hours every day. Just 10 to 15 minutes can make a huge difference. You can learn a few new words, watch a short video in English, read a page of a book, listen to a podcast, or review notes from your last lesson. Small actions done consistently create massive results over time. Most students never do it, and they are missing a huge opportunity. Go back and review vocabulary you learned, corrections from your teacher, common mistakes, or pronunciation feedback. If you keep forgetting the same corrections, you are forcing yourself to relearn them again and again. Review turns information into long-term knowledge. That's where real improvement happens. Let's quickly review everything we've covered today. To get the most out of your online English lessons, you have to set a clear goal, give every lesson a purpose, prepare a topic beforehand, and practice more than just speaking. And also, bring real content you enjoy. Study between lessons. Review what you have learned. If you follow these 7 tips consistently, you will get significantly more value from every lesson you take. And if you are looking for a complete English learning system, Papora was designed exactly for that. With Papora, you get unlimited live classes every month with flexible schedules, a self-paced course with more than 500 lessons, small interactive classes with a maximum of 6 students, lessons based on real-life situations, as well as exposure to native speakers from day one, a path all the way to an advanced C1 level, a certificate after completing each course, and certified, qualified teachers focused on helping you communicate confidently. And all that at a much affordable price compared to many traditional English programs. The goal isn't just learning English, the goal is actually speaking it. Now, tell me in the comments, what's the biggest challenge you are facing with your online English lessons? I would love to hear your answer. And if you found this video useful, don't forget to like, subscribe. There are plenty of lessons waiting for you. See you in the next one!